Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody's having a nice and safe Labor Day weekend. Yes, the Ford is back. We got it home safely. So for this weekend's video, I was able to record a how-to video on how to back up a boat and trailer and everything, guys. So this is just my point of view. I am in no way of a pro at backing up or anything, but it was difficult for me to learn and to catch on. It is very intimidating to tow, especially at a boat launch. People are watching you, people are judging you. I know in Arizona, Havasu, they have those, whatever launch you're at, they have those people with those rating signs, like, yeah, no thanks. So as you guys have noticed that I have been practicing. Shout out to our neighbor Ron. He's been giving me great tips only because Kevin's not the best teacher. So again, this is just my point of view on how I understand the mechanism and just the basics of how to back up and launch the boat. So I'll put that video up. Thanks guys for joining us this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope if you know, from my beginner point of view, I hope any of the tips help. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a nice weekend, guys. Closing this up, and I'll get ready to get Kevin in the water. So I'm not a pro at launching, but the best way to launch and reverse a boat, just look at the mirrors, guys. Look at the mirrors. Don't worry about left, right, whatever, and make sure we have walkies. Babe, can you turn on your walkie too? So we have walkie-talkies, so Kevin and I can communicate. I'm gonna turn mine on.
Power on. One.
But yeah, guys, look at the mirrors. Look at the mirrors. I'm not a big fan of putting my hand down the steering wheel. I can't, my mind works really differently, and I can't, when someone's telling me do left or go my other left, I get really confused. So how the trailer is right now, it's on the driver's side way too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting the wheel into the driver's side.
Copy.
Let me respond. Check. So,
all right. You're all clear.
Okay, 1 second. So I'm way too much on the driver's side. Now I don't want to see the trailer on my driver's side. Now I'm gonna turn the wheel into the driver's side, and that's basically it. Same thing. If I see the trailer right now, I don't see the trailer in the mirror. If I did, I'd do the same thing. So let me get this in the water. Okay, getting ready.
All right, you're all clear.
So again, I don't want to see it.
Ahead. Go slow, don't slam on the brakes.
Now I gotta straighten it out. And it's just kind of like, you're just gonna keep countering it. So I see it coming off to the side over here a little bit.
Good.
And I'm just gonna keep wiggling it, countering it. I'm at a good pace right now. I'm going straight, and it's just gonna, you're just gonna keep it, you know. And guys, I'm not a pro, but I'm trying to record and do this at the same time. So, you know, it's a lot easier not having the dually, because I always have that rear wheel well, and it's hard for me to see. Or it makes it hard for me to see with the extra wheel well. At least this is a single wheel, so.
Once you hit the water, I'm gonna have to jump off to unhook.
Okay. Let's keep it straight.
Man, nice. First shot, huh?
Yeah, this is way easy to do it with this, because I'm not, I don't have that extra hump on the wheel with the dually, so this makes it so much easier to back up. But yeah, guys, just pay attention to your mirrors. Don't bother with this left, right, other left. Just, if you see it in this side way too much, just keep it in, just keep your steering wheel in this mirror, and vice versa. If you see it in that mirror way too much, keep your wheel in this mirror. All right, now I'm dipping it.
2. 1, hold.
And definitely comms, guys. Just go on your phones, whatever.
Okay, go ahead.
And just communicate. Communicate with each other.
A little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Just go until the rear tire of the truck touches the water. Alright, you're good.
Alright, and it's touching. And that's it, guys. Like, and I'm just gonna put it in drive right here right now, and I'm gonna keep my foot on the brakes, you know, for safety. And Kevin's in the water. And what I'm also gonna do is keep my left foot on the brake and then gas into it slowly so I can get out of the water. So I'm not going back. So here I am getting out of the water. Kevin's in the water safely. And I hope those tips help, guys. It's not coming from a pro or anything, but that's just how I understand it. Because anytime somebody teaches me and they're like, oh, your other left, your other right, keep your hand on the bottom of the steering wheel, that doesn't work for me. I keep my hand at the top of the steering wheel, and the best way I know how to drive is, and how comfortable I am driving, and that's just the normal way I drive, is keeping my hand at the top of the steering wheel. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope any of this information helped at all. I mean, I know it's helped me so much. Thanks and shout out to our neighbor Ron. I swear we have like the best neighbors, because I mean, thanks to Troy as well, we're borrowing his truck. And yeah, we just have like the best neighbors. Yeah, we're just very fortunate. I'm just trying to park the trailer straight right now. You know, like kind of you know, let me straighten this out. I'm not liking how this is parked. But yeah, thanks Troy, thanks Ron. You guys, you know, I love you guys. You guys are like the best neighbors that anybody could ask for, and we're just very fortunate to be in the neighborhood that we are, the neighbors that we have, because you guys are lifesavers for sure. And thanks for everybody that's tuning in with us every week, guys. We appreciate you guys as well. We wouldn't be making any of this content without you guys. Thanks again. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.